Now, as you saw hopefully you guys can see my last video. It was World Series Game 1 with a squishy ball. This one right here. My brother Joel, as in last video seen. Ended last video. I hurt my leg. It was the last inning anyway. No one else scored the rest of the game, so we just cut off the video. And then we're just going to play game 2 again. I won, as you guys know. Same spot as yesterday. I won the training game 12. We had a game yesterday. It was, we had a game earlier today. And I won that game. It was a training game to practice. Yeah, we just practiced yesterday. Brick, you're dead. You were dead.
Wanna watch the excavation?
How do you think about it?
That's 2-0. 2-0, guys. Foul ball, all the rules in the last video. So check that out. Also, why the heck did you swim? Is that it?
Wait a minute. This is my voice. Time for an eviction notice.
Oh yeah, we made up a new rule today. If it hits the roof and we catch it, it's an out. That just happened right now. Oh! That is a foul ball. Yeah. Stroke on that, guys. But yeah, just saying, it is the same teams. It is Seattle. It is my team, Seattle. And it is his team.
Bad news is you're encroaching on the habitat of a very dirty river.
Fail. There we go. What?
Would you keep it down out here?
Okay. Alright. We're doing a quick intermission. Joel hurt his foot as I did my leg yesterday. Quick intermission. See you guys in a couple minutes. Alright guys, and we're back. Same thing. Still got the shirt on.
Sorry, I was just...
My lucky shirt.
Don't sweat it. Get away. I'm Jill. I'm Tommy. Are you visiting?
Alright guys, if we can get 100 subscribers, if we can get 100 likes and 100, well, if we can get 100 likes on this video, I'll do an eBay box challenge.
So you interested in it? This is a really sweet guitar. I know, the story. The guy who
100 likes,
his
guys.
ability for Springsteen. Who knows?
Got that. Caught it. Caught that. Can you have like a camera, man, so you can see everything? That is a fair ball.
You're not bad.
Nice job.
I've been taking a
Walker's dead.
but I left my guitar at home, so I can make you a really sweet yellow guitar if you like. My dad is the one with the coin. Pretty much broke. Maybe we can work something out. My friend Lyle and I have a band. He plays the drums, I play bass, but you need guitars. Yeah. The town's annual fire
course you're
festival at the end of the month. We
I had ones. This is the start of the game. I batted one, didn't I? Yeah. That one out. Hang on. No, I have two on.
I think this is a
Sure,
public
yeah.
road built with government funds and it belongs to everyone. So technically you are correct. It is yours, but it's also mine. Hey, you don't get off that easy. Look, I don't know what I did to offend you guys, but whatever it is, I'll stop. Of course you will.
He's out.
Seriously. Does the school have an anti-bullying policy?
So it is now 2
No, but John,
to 1 Philadelphia.
what was that? Whatever was it?
7.
Woody! Now as for you two, where were we? Get ready to go commando. Oh, this looks like
3 and 1.
that was
We still have to count 1-1. Like I said, the Bulls are 3-2 right now. All 4.
Bring her up for the food.
Oh, George, you gotta be kidding me.
Then there's our strike.
Why am I paying for that? Fine.
It's in.
Just day out here is
As
cold.
in, he missed the throw. It was kind of like a short throw, but
Thank you. Hey, buddy, where you been?
Town?
the wall.
I'm starting a band with girl I met.
Or,
Oh, fun fact.
I'll
that
do
was my
an
friend
eBay box challenge.
Neanderthal kid.
If we can get 100 likes on this
Hey,
video,
what do you say?
$20 eBay box challenge. Or
It was
200 for 40.
nah. That stupid bird. Yeah. Last I remember that stupid bird wasn't the one who happened to the bird.
You know what? That's enough. You're in timeout. Go to your room.
I don't
For every 100 likes this video gets, I will add
Oh,
another
in
$20.
case you were wondering, nobody in town is talking about building a house again.
Oh, that's a ball. Just barely.
Hey, don't you understand how great this is going to be for their property values?
No, Nancy.
I mean,
I'm talking about how disrespectful your son is to me.
Oh. Yeah, that.
He's a question.
oh,
Being stepmom trouble. He hates me. He doesn't hate you.
as you guys can see, I'm swimming the fences. Oh, and the first baseman almost catches it.
Let's see. We're going to go almost having bombs.
Foul ball. Hit this. Yeah, it's foul. Oh.
Wakey, wakey. Here's Woody.
Finish with you. Now maybe you didn't get the memo. But man, not wildlife. It's from the food chain. So if I were you, I would get out of here before you land on my own victory.
He's the dancing regular. 7.
Yeah, you better fly out of here. Really? A flying dog.
Guys, we're playing 2 out innings, so just make it go a little bit faster. Last inning.
You sure this is deep enough, George? I want this place to last longer than these trees. Boy, it's a long term. Sure. Give it this long
I
time.
batted twice. Yeah.
Isn't this great?
In person. You have to use the car. I guess you go to town kind of place to get my highlights. Sweetheart.
What's that matter? We're out here mowing this shirt.
Guys, we found this spider in our house, and we named it Jumpy because it's a jumping spider. Let's show you it. Alright guys, we're here. There he is. He was over there yesterday. Now he's right there. We don't know if they're eggs or not, but we hope they're not. But, oh snap. The baby spider right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like kind of like orange. But there's the mama. Can you guys see that? That's the spider we named. They look like eggs and there's a baby spider over there. Yeah, that one. I don't know if you guys can see that. In the middle of the one. Yeah, the one in the middle right there looks like it hatched. All right, let's go get to the game. Yeah, guys, the score is 7-2, mate.
Don't worry. I didn't forget about you.
7-1.
You're right.
7-1. 7-1, mate.
Yes, you may.
He's out.
Everything works. Only one way to find out. Come on. You know we want you to push it.
Oh, you guys saw that trick shot, right? Let's go! That is a trick.
You were right, friends.
Ah,
Now that's how you do things a little way.
and another triple, guys. I'm still up. Doesn't matter. It's in the jersey. First and third.
I'd like to file a complaint. No. Here. That's the flying demon right there.
That is a foul ball.
Impossible.
Pitch.
That crumb would
Ah, that's it. Safe.
That's the bird.
Sure it is.
Second, third, run scores.
I don't care what the bird is. I want it off my property for good. How does that happen?
It's 7-3 now. If you want to.
Super factoid.
Oh, look.
About it. Moved away.
More like that.
And
Well,
Swan! And
No,
foul!
you can't just kill it.
Jumpy,
We're
no!
raising protected species. You keep breaking the law. A $10,000 fine
That egg must have just hatched.
and 2 years in jail.
alright. There's mine.
Here it is.
Learn to
And he
live
hit
with
some
it.
bases
There
longer.
is plenty
This
of
is
room.
a chance to tie the game. With a homer.
Thanks.
The odds of that happening are really low. I've walked off a 3-run. He has. He has. It's not a video though. If it was, it would have been the most viral
like I know the answer
going on video right now. It's like,
Can you give me a hint?
that was. If you guys want to see like golf cart videos this summer, then check out me on Snapchat. Vids now.
That's it. Nobody poops when you're drunk and gets away with it.
Hit it.
One time. That happened one time and you never let me forget it.
Yes, one more chance to win. That was a chance to tie the game. And
Hey, I know that song. It's my ringtone.
just a shot.
Well, what do you know? Peanut butter boy. That was awesome. Hey, yeah, we killed it. Hey, kid. Hey, Woody. It was just kind of fun. I heard someone laying down a fresh beat. Whoa. What kind of bird is that? Some kind of woodpecker. He was up on
Oh, it's a turtle.
He was pretty much like
Save it on the plate.
and
And it's 9.
nope, never happened. Sorry. I still got the answer. We still got a lot of practice too. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And he's out.
Everybody's first. Applaud the first. Yeah, this year is mine, Jim. Oh yeah, that's right. I had like a year. Never had a lesson. Oh, that first got mad stuff. Don't you know about the first? Everybody knows that the first is a bird. I love the bird.
Go! Everybody's heard about the first bird. 3 and 2. Let's swing now. Line drive. Where's Jumpy?
Where did this come from?
I don't see Jumpy. Alright, guys. Guys, Jumpy moved. Because we can't find Jumpy. Oh, wait, there he is. He's behind that egg. Wait, give me something to poke. No. Okay. See, you see the sweater, right, guys? Alright, guys. Hit 50 likes. I'll put them in like a box, and you guys can see what it does every once in a while. Alright, guys? Alright, let's get back to the game. What's up, guys? We're back. Still the same game. Alright.
What you're trying to tell me is
Count is 2 and 2 is 9 to 3.
Not all the
No
time.
man on, no man out.
Yeah.
And that is a foul ball.
Take some sleep. Things always look better in the morning.
Hey guys, we checked out Jumpy. He's still there
So,
behind that egg.
I've got a research bird problem.
And that is 1 out. I've caught it.
Finest pest control company in town.
Alright, so all I have to do is get 2 outs and the game's over. Game 2.
However, whenever he comes with his job,
Foul ball. Take it to the ground. If you didn't see that,
you know
hit
how
the ground, yeah.
How can we help Mr. Walters? Well, I need you to trap it and
That
release
won't
it
fit.
far away.
That was a foul
Once
ball.
you kill it, the pyramids. Of course, never break it.
Here you go, Joel.
Our standard woodpecker.
Last out of the game.
$200 cash.
Foul.
Done.
Foul. Went straight down here.
Just care.
Yeah, that's actually interference.
Thanks. I'll save this for later.
Ball 2.
Check
Alright guys, watch that. See
I'll
if
see you
see
gentlemen
how
in the morning.
fast it's going.
You got it.
Tip,
We will get the hay.
if you guys can hear that.
Get up bright and early.
No, not that.
They remove that bird.
Just not before 10 a.m., all right?
Ball 3 and 2. No outs, no man on. I am 1 out, no man
We
on.
will see you. Come on, yeah.
Foul ball.
I'll repeat them tomorrow.
Full count in the pitch. Play a drop. That's a fair ball.
we want to make 5. Oh no, come on.
We don't need a red crop repair. We're just selling perfect. No,
He hits him.
okay, just.
First and second. Wow.
Nice.
Bottom of the 3rd.
Hey, what are we going to do again?
I did that. Guys, the game's almost over. I need 1 more pitch.
And there's another one. It's a lot of feathers.
Ball 2. It's 2 and 2.
I saw her voice.
1 out. I have 1 more pitch. Man, I'm telling you. It was a swing. I dropped it. They missed him. I dropped it. And ball 3. 3 and 2. Now, first and second. Bottom of the 3rd. Bottom of the 3rd. 1 out. Alright, come on, guys. Game is on the line. Full count pitch. Ball 4. Bases loaded. 1 out. Pitch. The ball was still foul. It's interference. Foul. No. Oh. Here it is. 1 and 2. Alright, guys. Bird is the word.
Who does something like that to those animals? I told you guys we shouldn't go. Let's go.
2 and 2. Bases loaded. 1 out.
What was that?
Game is on the line.
What are you doing?
And it's interfering in my head. Still foul ball. You guys saw that, right?
Sorry, Max.
That was a trick shot, guys.
We're sorry, sir. We didn't touch anything.
You trespass.
It is 9 to 4 now. Come on, guys. 9 to 4.
We got lost. Yeah. See the towels?
2 and 1.
It wasn't my
Guys, I need 100 likes on this whole series. Every 100 likes, I will do plus $20 more to an eBay box challenge. Mystery box challenge. Alright, guys. Time in. 2 and 2. And the game's over! Game 2! I am the champion! Game 2! 2 of 7! How do you feel about losing game 2? I will frickin' punch you in the face. I guess you're not feeling good.
No.
I'm the champion! Let's go! This is game 2 of 7. First to 4 wins. It's all the same. I'll see all you dudes in the next video.